Zompa La, and she's going to perform a Tibetan opera song, and she'll sort of explain in English the words and that she's going to sing from the song. Okay.
Tesla. Ani tharinga dima namdash bilanchei ani di thari nalendra gi da danganjo deoidu di thikdi nalendra gi chukyu di ani zambuli leya khabe malamda di ondi da ani tashibe thone nime shada lhoda anjo nubjang da choshilaya tashibe yoyange namda tundu니 부여이 아니 니네만 한번 속에 내야 차로나라나. So I'm going to sing a Tibetan opera song. The words of the song are prayers and wishes that the Nalanda tradition spreads to all the four directions. Thank you.